guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my kitchen, which we just cleaned to film this video. It's looking good. But hi, hello, if you've never been here, my name is Amy. I am a huge fan of Trader Joe's and I thought I would just share what I got this morning. My son is turning 9 months this week and he is eating so much. He loves to eat. He's still on mostly just a produce diet. He does eat eggs. We're gonna start introducing meat soon. We're finding ourselves, well, number one, we have a baby who has a bedtime, so we're eating at home a lot more. I'm back on Weight Watchers, which isn't exciting. Well, exciting if you want it to be, but you know what I mean. We've just been eating at home a lot more and obviously we have another mouth to feed now, so I just thought I would show you what I buy for us now at the store. If you've been here a while, I used to do Trader Joe's hauls all the time. I thought I would do it a little bit differently today. The way I used to do them just kind of felt kind of like half-ass and quick, and I know that you guys like the vlog style like that, but I thought today I would go like a little more in depth, stand in front of the camera, and make it a little better quality of a video. So let me know if you guys enjoyed this style. I will link my Trader Joe's playlist up in the corner if you just want to binge. We pretty much avidly shop at Trader Joe's. There's a few things we get at like Ralph's or Target or wherever, Sprouts. We do the bulk of our shopping at Trader Joe's. So I thought I would just show you what we got. We find ourselves doing a weekly shop now that Milo is eating us out of house and home, which is great. But besides the eggs, this is all the produce I've bought. And I told Bradley this morning, like as I was putting all this stuff in our cart, I'm proud of us. Well, Milo does eat a good chunk of it, but we eat it too, and we've been so good about A, eating produce, and B, not wasting food. So I'm really like excited for us. But so let's just go ahead and get into it. I buy organic when I can, just because Milo I feel like is a clean slate. And I know there's like debate on like if organic means anything or not, but Trader Joe's makes it pretty affordable for most things to shop organic. So when I can, I buy organic. So I got organic whole carrots, and then organic celery hearts. We use these in so many things. I've never given Milo celery, and I think I'm going to this week. But carrots are one of his very favorite foods. I actually bought him baby carrots, you'll see in a second, but these we just like to always have on hand if we're making just anything. Pasta sauce, soup. I like to snack on celery, which I haven't really done since pregnancy. I want to get back into that. But I really like celery, so pick those up. And like I said, for Milo, I picked up a bag of just the organic cut and peeled baby carrots. These are nice to just throw in the steaming pot thing, just to steam them really quick for him, cut them up. But also if they're like going bad, I will just, we don't really eat purees a ton anymore. He still loves to eat them, but he really likes to feed himself. But if they're going bad and I want to use them up quickly, I'll just puree them and he'll eat them that way. But he loves carrots. I think those are his second favorite food. I'll tell you his first when we get to it. He also loves broccoli. I personally don't like broccoli. I have tried all the ways, I just don't like it. But Bradley likes it and he really likes it. If it's on his plate, he picks for that first. But again, I just got the organic broccoli florets. Bradley and Milo will both eat this. And again, I just place them in that steamer basket with the carrots, and it's a really easy meal that's ready for him in like 30 minutes. We're not really at the place yet where we're all eating the same thing. He's still learning how to eat, and obviously he has like 2.5 teeth. So I do a lot of cooking separately for him, or like meal prepping and then reheating for him. But everything I do is so super easy. I feel like I get a lot of praise from the people in my life. We're like, oh my God, you make your baby fresh. Because I made all of our pureed baby food from scratch. I don't really give him anything like processed right now, but I feel like it's a lot easier than people think. It really is no big deal and so much better for them. But I'm also not judging. You do what works best for you. These are not organic, but I've been loving buying these teeny tiny avocado bags. Milo will eat an entire one of these for lunch. He loves avocado, which is funny because he did not enjoy them pureed, but he loves them I just cut them up in little squares and he puts them in his mouth. But also we obviously eat avocado too. And I keep these in the fridge and just pull them out like a few at a time, and they last even longer. So for Milo, they're the perfect size. For us, if we're making guacamole, I might even use 3. But again, you're getting 6 of them in this bag and it just works out for us. I guess we'll do vegetables, then fruit. I picked up a couple of red bell peppers. I steamed these for Milo. He loves them. I was hesitant. I was like, can you give it baby peppers? But I Googled it and you can, and he loves them. But I also love snacking on red bell peppers. Those are my faves. So I picked up a couple of those. They'll get used somehow. I picked up some zucchini. Bradley likes zucchini. I, again, have tried zucchini so many different ways. It's just so mushy to me. Like, I'm just not a fan. And like, I like other squashes, squish, if you will, but I just do not like zucchini. But I told Bradley, I was like, what else can I get Milo that we can like make soft and mushy that he can eat? And he said zucchini, and I was like, good idea. Which he had some in a puree, but we'll prepare it for him steamed, or I don't know how you're supposed to do it. But we'll figure it out and we'll give him that to see if he likes that. I got a cucumber mainly for myself. One of my favorite lunches is just to make like I think it's like a tea sandwich where you put like the cucumber, cream cheese, turkey. I do that, and then I also put a crap ton of dill on it, and our dill plant is growing in. Right now I planted it from seed. It's not really producing as much as I need, and I don't want to cut back what we do have so far. So I just keep buying. It's organic, so that's nice, but I love dill. We put it on so many things. Our favorite meal right now, which I'll tell you right now, I've shown in a vlog. I'll link that vlog up in the corner, but I got a bag of organic sweet potatoes. Between the three of us, we eat this whole thing. And if we are getting like down to the wire again, it's like kind of going bad, I will puree it up for him and then freeze it. But our favorite meal right now, sweet potato, radishes sliced, then you put them together, you mix them together, you put oil, salt, pepper, garlic powder, dill, and like ranch seasoning. Trader Joe's just came out with ranch seasoning, by the way. It's delicious. You roast them, you cook up some chicken, you toss it all together, and then to even add more dill, top it with their vegan creamy dill dressing. It is so good. It is my favorite lunch. It's only 2 points on Weight Watchers for my plan. So yes, we picked up these. And I really like radishes. They piss me off because I have a hard time growing them, but I love eating them. So they weren't something we always bought in the past, but now we go through this whole bag in a week. And I still want to find even more ways. I want to try air frying them and make them crispy like radish chips. Of course, we got diced onions. We use this in so many things. We'll put this in that bowl that I just mentioned. Pasta, like literally anything. Soups, this comes in handy. We use this whole bag up. Of course, got some Dutch baby gold potatoes. These are my favorite kind of potatoes. I've decided in life that russet Idaho potatoes are just too dry for me. I prefer gold potatoes, and I love these mini ones just because you can do whatever with them. Cut them into quarters, slice them, roast them, mash them. I just really like these. These are the ones I planted. I actually harvested those. I think it's in that same vlog, but I like just the ones that sprouted from the ones I bought from Trader Joe's. I planted and they grew. So whatever I don't use, I have a whole bag in the cupboard I'm hoping will like go bad and grow the eyes so I can plant them, but they're taking forever. But brother's like, I don't know if we need potatoes, and I'm like, I want all the potatoes because whatever like starts to grow sprouts, I'm planting. I have a whole bed dedicated for potatoes. It's just not planted yet. But anyway, we will use these always. We got some organic mushrooms. I love mushrooms. I know like some people just really do not like them. Like maybe my favorite vegetable. I love them. This last week I made a delish pasta that had a lot of mushrooms in it, and it was so good. But we eat this as like a side dish with chicken and potatoes. We make it's a Jada recipe, but it's like a veggie bolognese that has mushrooms in it. We love them. And I don't know, can babies have mushrooms? Maybe Milo should try some. I got some riced cauliflower, which I used to be really into and then I forgot about, but we picked it up last week. And it's actually in the last vlog I just put up. I can link it in the corner, but we made chicken fried rice. We used half rice, half veggie riced cauliflower. And first of all, we've tried to rice a cauliflower on our own. It is disgusting. It smells so bad and it is so much work. Just buy this. They do the work for you. But the chicken fried rice with this, like you can't even taste the cauliflower. It tastes so good, and I definitely want to make that again. I also used to make this like veggie bowl with this in it and some turkey bacon and eggs. I want to do that. And I just want to get into the habit of using this because it's a good way to eat cauliflower. I got some arugula until we can plant our own, but I love arugula. Put them on top of flatbreads. I make like a pasta bowl where it's like a cup of cooked pasta, a lot of this, tomatoes, balsamic. It's really, really good. I really enjoy arugula. Like I could eat it fresh out of the bag. Like it's very peppery and delish, and I'm a fan. And I think that's it for the vegetables. I know it's a fruit, but I did get the grape tomatoes. Normally I buy beefsteak tomatoes because I love to slice them and put some salt and pepper on them and just eat them as a snack, but we still have some, so I didn't buy those. But I did need some more grape tomatoes, and again, I throw this in everything. Pastas, guacamole. I feel like I'm cutting tomatoes at least once a day. I love tomatoes. Now on to the fruit. We have bananas, which I wasn't giving Milo for the longest time until I saw a post that said the further, like the riper the banana is, the less likely it is to constipate your baby. And we are good about giving him prunes. That's the one thing I don't make for him myself. I buy the, what's the brand? I don't know the brand. I'll insert a little clip of it, but it's organic prunes. And so we try to keep that, and we try to feed him that a few times a week to make sure that he's regular and just, you know, with babies. But so now that I read that, I've been feeding him bananas when they're a little bit riper. He loves them. We love them. We'll eat them as a snack. You put them in smoothies. I love to bake with bananas, so if they go bad, I do get to bake, which is fun too. I didn't get organic strawberries because they didn't look good, but I did get this big batch of strawberries because Milo eats them pretty much every single morning, and then we also like them as well. His very favorite food though is blackberries, which I can't eat. Well, first of all, blackberries are delicious. I don't think I've ever properly tried one. I feel like as a little girl, I was like, those are gross, and then I just forgot about them, but they're delicious. I tried one obviously when I was giving him some, and they are so good. So these are his very favorite. I just obviously cut them up for him and he loves them. They are a mess. It will make a mess, but it's obviously worth it and he loves them. So I did restock on both of those. But this week for the first time, we're gonna try these blueberries. I did get organic. I don't know, I think Bradley doesn't like blueberries whole like this. So whatever we don't use, I can freeze, or I've been dying to make some muffins, so maybe I'll do that. But I'm excited to give him something new and see if he likes it. They never have this and I was so excited, but they had a bag of organic Bartlett pears. Bartlett pears are my favorite. I love to eat them, but I figured I could also either puree them for Milo or maybe just like steam them a little bit just to make them a little bit softer, or wait till they'll really ripe and give him some. But I love pears, so I'm excited to see a whole bag. And then last for produce, we just got a couple lemons. We need a lot more than 2 lemons, but we have some from Bradley's aunt that she gave us from her tree. We have one left over from the store, so like we didn't need a bunch, but we do use lemons constantly. And then limes. We want to have taco night. I also love, I love limes. I put it on everything, so. Oh, I lied. One more thing are these mandarins, which they're Josie's mandarins, which I think is their version of cuties, but as it gets deeper into summer, they keep getting bigger. He eats these a lot of days for lunch. Sometimes he has avocado or carrots or whatever, but he does love these. And we just chop them up. These are really great for traveling as well, and they're delicious. I like them too, so. Okay, no, that's it for produce. I got 2 things of eggs. I've talked about this, but we've recently upgraded to the pasture-raised large brown eggs. I am telling you, I'm a convert. You can taste the difference between pasture raised and just like whatever else, which we thought we were buying like the most healthy ones we could, but there's a step above, which is organic, but it's $2 more, so we're like, eh. And we're also going through eggs like crazy. We eat them every single morning. We use them obviously in other recipes, baking. Milo's eating them now, so I usually buy 3, but we only needed 2 today. But yes, we love these. I got a couple cheeses. I love having ricotta on hand. It's my very favorite cheese. I make a delish pasta, which is basically just pasta, ground turkey. I added mushrooms, like I said, ricotta cheese, and Rayo's marinara. It is so easy and so good, but ricotta is just the best. I should look up more ways to use it. I love to make lemon ricotta gnocchi. Maybe I'll do that this week. I love it, and we ran out with that pasta I said I made, so I needed more. I picked up some mozzarella, and since I am doing Weight Watchers, I decided to get the part skim. It's just easy to crumble. Oh, well, the main reason I got it is because I saw that these cauliflower slims, which is a delicious and versatile bread substitute, these you can have 2 slices for 3 points, and I thought it'd be fun to make like a little mini pizza with them. So I bought cheese for that, but I also like to make mini caprese salads where I just crumble some of this in there. I don't know, we use mozzarella in different ways. But yeah, I thought I would try that out, and I have tried these before and I really liked them. I think what I did was just put it in the toaster before, but I'll try it in the oven this time if I'm gonna make a pizza. My favorite turkey from Trader Joe's is their oven roasted turkey breast. Bradley likes the smoked turkey, but I prefer this one. We didn't need milk this time around, but I did get some butter, unsalted. We use this when we bake, mostly cookies, but you know, whatever else. I did get a loaf of sourdough. We've been going through sourdough like crazy if we have it for breakfast or on the side of soup or whatever. We love it. And this is actually really good. I still really want to learn how to make my own sourdough. I have no idea how to make like a starter. I don't know anything about that stuff, but I would eventually like to be on that level. But until we're there, this is delicious. We needed a couple of spices, so I got organic ground pepper. My doggy is coming. Hi, buddy. We got some bay leaves. Bradley puts this in pretty much every soup or stew or whatever he makes. And then we needed some salt. So I like this, the pink salt crystals that you grind. We like their sea salt crystals too. I just couldn't find them today. This was new and we actually need red wine vinegar. It's organic red wine vinegar. So I picked that up. I usually buy it at Target. I really like the Target Market Pantry one, but I thought we'd give this one a try. I mostly use it in like salad dressings, but I do really enjoy having that on hand. This I got just to have in the freezer. I think it's the only freezer thing I bought today, which, wow. But it's just the organic jasmine rice. There's so many times, especially now, if Bradley's at work and I put the baby down and I'm hungry and I'm like, ugh, what am I gonna make? That's where I can make an unhealthy choice, but I figured having these on hand might make it easier to make a better choice. I've never tried the jasmine ones, but I have tried the brown rice and I love them. They're easy, you just microwave them. And yeah, I just sort of make my life a little bit easier on nights when I'm exhausted and don't feel like cooking, you know, a ton. A couple of sweet treats. I'm not into these. I know a lot of you are, because I just know. But it's only because I'm not super into peanut butter, but it's chocolate and peanut butter JoJo's sandwich cookies. So they're like an Oreo dipped in like a peanut butter coating. They look good. Like if I was into peanut butter, I'm sure I would like them. I just am not. But Bradley loves them, so I picked those up for him. And then of course, I got my special cookies, which our Trader Joe's for the longest time did not have these. And I was like, is there a special cookie shortage? What is happening? But now, so every time I see them, I buy like a lot and the pantry is full of them. And Bradley is begging me, he's like, you have to stop buying them. And I'm like, no, they're eventually gonna run out again. And then I'm not gonna have them and I just need to build up my back stock like it's the end of the world. So I only got 2 this time. But they'll get eaten, you know? I go through them pretty quick. They're easy on Weight Watchers, they're delicious. They're my very favorite cookie in the world. But okay guys, that is it. I hope you enjoyed this haul. I think I already linked it up in the corner, but I will have my Trader Joe's haul grocery playlist down below if you want to check that out. And like I said, let me know if you guys enjoyed this, a little more in-depth look into how we use our groceries, what we buy. But yeah, I love you guys. I'll see you very soon in new videos. And if you enjoyed this, please subscribe, stick around. I have some more videos you can watch. Give it a thumbs up, help your girl out. But yeah, I love you guys. I'll see you very soon and I hope you have a great day. Bye.